I promise you guys are not going to believe how this video ends. So basically, in 2017, March 11th, there was an Uber driver slash attorney who was pulled over by the police, and one of the cops threatened to arrest this guy for filming him. I'll show you the key parts of the video right now, but this person right over here is about to be very, very relevant to this story.
So I'm driving Uber, and my passenger's getting arrested.
Hey, Bo, turn that off, okay?
No, I'll keep recording, thank you. It's my right.
Don't record me, you got me?
I will look. You're a police officer on duty. I can record you. And if you come to this side of the vehicle, I can keep recording you.
Turn it off.
I can keep recording you.
Turn it off and take a jail.
For recording you, I'm sitting in my car holding my phone. What is the law? What are you arresting me for? I'm sitting here in my car. I'm just recording in case anything happens. I'm surrounded by 5 police officers.
You're being a jerk.
I'm scared right now. I'm not being a jerk. I'm recording it in case anything happens.
Well, you better hope we don't find something in your car, okay?
They're not searching my car
Well, I'm
because
gonna search your car.
you're not searching my car.
So your roll canine this way, please.
Bring the canines. I don't care, man.
Okay.
Like, I know my rights.
There you go. I hope so. I know what the law is.
I know the law. I'm an attorney, so I would hope I know the law.
And an Uber driver?
And here, man.
And an Uber driver.
You want my bar card?
He's 80s old.
I'm not.
Put your shoes on, bud.
He said that there's a law I'm not allowed to record the police. I just wanted to know what that new law is.
Well, you said you were an attorney, correct?
I am. I've never heard of this law that you're not allowed to record the police anymore. It must be brand new.
Okay, well, they just recently passed it, so.
Like super recently? Seems like a strange law. Man. I showed him my way bill. I really am just driving Uber for some extra money. I don't know where these people are going to and from.
Really about 80. Are these his?
You from the area?
Probably, they're not mine.
I do mostly.
I have nothing in my car. There's no drugs, there's no alcohol.
I didn't say you did.
Well, the other officer told me he's taking me to jail, so.
Did I say that?
No, your friend said that.
Okay. My friend?
I
You mean
assume
the sergeant?
the sergeant, your friend, somebody. It's okay with you if I drink my Powerade?
Right.
Yes.
How long you been an Uber driver?
Mr. St. Pierre? A year and a half, 2 years
Okay.
maybe?
Have you been stopped a lot? It's probably why you've been stopped, because you're an Uber driver, right? Because there's a lot of history on the vehicle.
On this vehicle there's history?
Yeah.
Not that I know of.
Okay. All right. Well, here's your license. We're going to wait for K9 because I don't know if he might have dumped something under the seat and you don't want us to look. So we're just going to have K9 come out and smell. And if they do an indication, if not, then you'll be on your way, okay, sir?
Okay. I mean, if he threw something under the seat, it still has nothing to do with me. Like.
Okay, but it's in your car. I'm not saying it has anything to do with you, sir. I've never said that, did I?
No,
I asked you a
I feel
simple
like
question.
something's gonna be under the car, and you're gonna say, "I'm the driver. It's my vehicle. I'm responsible."
Negative, sir. I've never said that to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you understand my frustration? I'm just
Sure I
at
do.
work.
I should.
I-
I absolutely do.
All
What's
right.
your registration? Just hold on a minute. Okay.
So yeah, basically, dude's name is Jesse Bright, and he was pulled over by the cops because his passenger, who he was taking as an Uber driver, got arrested, and they started telling him that he can't record the cops because there is a new law that prevents that. So obviously, they were lying. This dude became super famous, and he was in a bunch of interviews and stuff, and he kind of became like the talk of the town, local hero for standing up to the cops, standing his ground, and being calm in that type of situation.
Jesse Bright started recording when he got pulled over in Wilmington.
I explained that I was just an Uber driver and that, my passenger, I don't even know him.
He says the Wilmington police officer told Bright he had just taken his passenger to a known drug house.
Yeah, they questioned me about, what I was doing there, didn't seem to believe that I was an Uber driver.
Then he says the officer noticed Bright was recording.
Turn it off.
I can keep
Turn
recording
it
you.
off. Turn it off and take a jail.
Sergeant Becker told me it was illegal to film the police and told me to turn it off or he would take me to jail.
Bright did not stop.
I knew that he's just trying to coerce me to not film him anymore.
As an attorney, Bright says he tells all his clients to record interactions with law enforcement.
I didn't want to see anybody get fired or anything come of this. I really just want people to understand their rights.
Bright says his biggest concern is that this is happening often.
If he's willing to just directly lie to me and tell me, this is against the law to film the police, then it worries me. Most people, when they're given an order by an officer, they don't know that it's an unlawful order.
The Wilmington Police Department has launched an internal investigation.
The police department contacted me. He assured me that recording the police is within my right and that I didn't do anything wrong.
But Bright already knew that. He just wants to make sure you know that.
But you do have the right to stand up to police if you do so lawfully. If you're within your rights, you know, you can tell an officer, no, I'm not going to do that. You don't have to be afraid to just listen to everything that they say.
Well, this is about to be a more infamous hero turned villain story than Anakin Skywalker turning into Darth Vader, because this guy has been charged with a human trafficking case with over 150 victims. So there were 6 people arrested and charged with 338 felonies, and apparently he was one of the people who was involved in this. One of the 6 arrested was this Jesse Bright guy, and they do confirm that he actually was a defense attorney like he said he was. So, you know, obviously his video that he made went viral and he was seen as a good guy and essentially like a hero. This is his official YouTube channel right over here. And as you can see, he hasn't uploaded in a few years. But that initial video that we were watching went super viral, 17 million views. And I haven't really seen anybody talking about this whole situation and how it's developed. This honestly reminds me of this situation over here where there was like this court case TV show thing that was going on. And this guy over here, he made a joke about one of the police officers at the hearing not looking happy, even though, you know, he's married. And his point was, you know, sometimes men aren't happy when they're married, obviously cracking a joke. And the judge over here says that he is very happy. Well, this guy over here, the guy who was being told that wasn't happy, ended up murdering his wife.
Now the tables have turned, and he's found himself on the other side of the law. The Texas sheriff's deputy has now been charged with murdering his own wife.
He was the burly bailiff on the popular judge show Justice for All with Christina Perez. Now he's facing justice, charged with murdering his wife.
This is one of the biggest fall from graces I've ever seen. The funny thing is, this guy literally, with the momentum that he had, could have launched a new career off of it. He could have been an online, you know, personality that talks about getting pulled over by the police, what you should say, what you should do. He could talk about some legal stuff. I mean, dude has 5 videos on his channel and he has over 50,000 subscribers, man. Like, this could have been something big. He could have done a lot of good with all the notoriety and attention that he got, but instead he chose to go down a horrible path in life. This is one of the most bizarre things I've ever seen. I can't believe that somebody who's famous for being in this type of situation where they're trying to stand up for themselves and knowing the law ended up breaking it worse than pretty much anybody. He's charged with 4 felony counts of promotion and profiting from prostitution. So, yeah, this is honestly the weirdest and most horrible ending to this story that you could have imagined. Let me know what you guys think about the situation in the comments. Sometimes a guy that you see in a viral video may be a lot more sinister than you think. Please leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. See ya.